Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we are going to be making yet another meal, but it's going to be made in a slightly different way. Instead of me showing you how to do it, my voice is going to be playing over some images and I'm going to walk you through it. So yeah, let's get right into the video.
Today we're going to be using the HelloFresh recipe. The ingredients for the meal are beef steak, yellow potatoes, dill, green beans, garlic, mayo, mustard, and beef broth concentrate. Make sure you wash and cut your vegetables. After that, place your potatoes on a baking sheet, drizzle them with oil, and season with salt and pepper, and roast it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Heat a non-stick pan and add oil, steak, and season it with salt and pepper. Pan fry the steak until it's golden brown. When the steak is golden brown, transfer it to a new baking sheet with green beans that are also drizzled with oil and seasoned with salt and pepper. Roast everything for another 6 to 8 minutes. Now let's work on the sauce. Place butter, minced garlic, broth, concentrate, salt, and pepper, and a bit of water to a pan. Stir together on low heat until the sauce thickens. To make the potato salad, whisk mayo and mustard in a large bowl and add dill and your grilled potatoes and beans. Toss it all together. Last step is to slice your steak and place it on a plate and drizzle it with the garlicky sauce. And enjoy.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Now, I know it's much different from most of the other videos that I posted, but I hope you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe with post notifications on, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.